Let's look at this one. Let A be the largest positive integer that divides all the numbers of the format 3k, 4k, and 5k, sum of these three numbers. A is a number that divides all the numbers of the format 3k plus 4k plus 5k is divisible by A. That's what the question is talking about. And the largest positive integer that divides all of this. And B be the largest positive integer that divides all the numbers of the format 4k plus 3 times of 4 to the power of k plus 4 to the power of k plus 2, where k is any positive integer. They very clearly specified that k is a positive integer that we are talking about. So let me start by looking at what my numerator is coming out to be when k becomes the positive integer. And it's easy for me to put k equals to 1 and k equals to 2 and check first few numbers what is happening. If you look at k equals to 1, it will give me what the numerator will be 3 plus 4 plus. This gives me what 9 plus 3, 12. And 12 has got what all factors? 12 has got the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. These are the factors, right? Because A is able to divide this particular number. A has to be one out of these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. A is the largest positive integer. Remember this. Now let's put k equals to 2 and see what happens. If you put k equals to 2, 3 square will give you 9, 4 square will give you 16, and 5 square will give you 25. 16 plus 9 will become 25. This will become 50. What are the factors of 50 if we check it out? 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, and 50 will turn out to be the factors of 50. Now, A has to be such a number that is able to divide the number 12 also, and that is able to divide the number 50 also, and largest in its category. That means you are looking at 1 as a set of number which is able to divide both the numbers, but it is not the largest number. The largest number will turn out to be 2. Beyond this, there is no other common factor between 50 and 12, and hence the value of A will turn out to be equals to 2 over here. Similar to this, we will try to look at this particular number, and that has to be divisible by B. If you look at the numerator a little more carefully, you will realize 4 power k is a part of every number. 4 power k, 3 times of 4 power k. And if you look at the last part of this, which is 4 to the power of k plus 2, can also be written as 4 square into 4 to the power of k. 4 square is turning out to be what? 16. So you have what? 4k plus 3 times of 4 to the power of k plus 16 times of 4 to the power of k. Take 4 to the power of k common. What are we looking at? We are looking at 1 over here, 3 over here, and 16 over here. So our number effectively turns out to be 20 times of 4 to the power of k. And you are dividing this number by b and trying to figure out a value of b, which is the largest positive integer that divides this particular number, where k is any positive number. If you look at the value of k as any positive number, then what happens is 20 will always be a part of the numerator because it is 20 times of 4 to the power of k. Now, minimum k value will be 1, right? So if you put k as 1, your numerator will turn out to be what? 80. And what can be the largest possible value of b? The largest possible value of b that can divide 80 is 80 again, right? Now, if you take k is equals to 2, what is going to happen? If you take k is equals to 2, it will become 16. But that will also be 80 times of 4 divided by b. Now, you can't do 80 into 4 over here as the value of b because that will not divide the first value corresponding to k equals to 1. So what is the maximum possible value of b? Maximum possible value of b is 80 and maximum possible value of a was 20. Then what is the value of a plus b? A plus b is equals to 2 plus 80, which is going to give you what? 82 as the number.